Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to borrow on Bybit or how you can get started with crypto loans services. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application. Here on the home page tap on the more option so that you could redirect on the services page. Now here you need to use the search bar and search for loans. Now once you are able to find the crypto loans tab, you just have to simply tap on it and then you will be able to see this type of form in front of you. Now over here you just have to create a loan order by filling the following details. So in the first section you just have to simply select the coin type. So in order to select it you need to tap on the drop down menu, and from this list you can select the type of the crypto or the coin. After that you just have to simply enter the amount that you wish to borrow. Now you need to just scroll down, and in the collateral amount you just have to simply select the trading account of yours. It can be funded or it can be the unified account. After that you just have to enter the amount that you wish as the collateral. Next you need to choose the loan terms and review the information on the right side of the order page, such as the interest rates or the total interest and the repayment amount. Now after that you just have to simply tap on the checkbox of the terms and conditions and tap on the start borrowing option. So this way your interest starts to accrue as soon as your order is confirmed. You need to ensure that all the information on the order details pop-up is correct when you see a pop-up in front of you for the confirmation. So you just have to click on the yes option and you are done. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.